Hey, what's up YouTube? Back with another video coming at you, Widowmaker. My camcorder crapped out on me, so I gotta use my phone. So, anyway, hopefully it will do justice and it will probably be better than my camera that I have been using, since this is like a $1,200 phone. It's the iPro or iPhone Pro 12, but we'll check it out. The only bad thing is I got to encode the video and all that happy crap before I can edit it, so it's just more complicated steps. Yeah, getting a little thin. All right, so as you can tell, we're inside today. Yes, inside. I built a bench. My daughter moved out, got me a reloading bench in her old room. Cool. So what we're going to do today is, the lighting sucks, but we're going to try to fix that right now. So I got my thing stripped down here, and there's a little bit of rust here, and there's a little bit here. I don't know how well you can see, but it's just a very little bit of rust here and there. It's going to be hard to film because of the way I have to put the phone and stuff to film it. But anyway, there's a little bit of, this is hard to do. There's a little bit of rust. You'll see some here and a little bit here. It's just from sweat and stuff. This is a stainless steel slide, by the way. Can you read that? Yeah. So at any rate, this is stainless. And so the sweat just got on here from packing it every day. This is my EDC. And just from sweat. And this finish is held up pretty good. I think I've bought this 2007 maybe. So I've had it for a while. Anyway, what we're going to try to do is we're going to try to, give me 1 second, guys. We're going to remove that. We're going to try to remove that rust. This is what you want to use. Grade number 0000 is 4-aught, okay? 4 zeros. Don't use, that's what you want to use if you don't want to harm your finish, okay? It's real fine, real fine. I'll tell you how fine this is. My wife is going to use this on a pan, washing dishes. Oh, I went through the roof. I was livid. This stuff's so fine that if water hits it, it disintegrates. So that's how I knew it was mine, because I actually used it on a bowl, but she had it in there, was going to use it, and it actually just disintegrates. So what you want is a little piece of that, a little bit of oil, okay? The oil will lubricate it. You just put a little drop right here on the spot that you got your rust on it, and then go with the metal. Go with the green, I guess you could say. I don't know if that's taken it off or made it worse. We'll find out. It made a spot darker. I don't know if that was a rust spot or not. But pull the elbow grease out, and it's going away. Okay. It's about gone away. There's still a little spot there. Got a little bit of rust right here. I don't know if you can see it or not. I mean, it's just a little bit where it's starting. But that's the whole idea, is to get it before it gets out of hand. Rust is cancer to metal. Yep. All right. I believe they cleaned it right up. Apologize for the camera work, guys, because clean it up for the most part. You take that to a gunsmith and have them do it, if they would even do, which I'm sure that they probably would, that'd be at least $50, because everything you want done, everything that I've asked to get done, $50. And that was back many moons ago. I even asked, lighting the trigger up on my Remington 700. That was in the 90s. $50. So it ain't went up, but which is a good thing, but I'm just saying, every little thing that you want done. $50. Well, I gotta say, that does look better. I mean, yeah, there's still a little spot there, but I think it's just discoloration maybe. The rust, you can't really see the rust on it. Like I said, this is my EDC, and this is what I carry for protection. This is what I would bet my life on. Just want to do this piece and try out that that steel wool to see how good that removes rust, because on my muzzleloader, I actually went muzzleloader hunting this year, and it rained, and it wasn't a downpour, but it was enough to dampen everything, and I just forgot about it. Driving home from the hunting spot to my house, I actually forgot, duh, your gun's wet, man. So I left it cased up, threw it in a chair, The next day I got up to go hunting. Guess what? My gun's rusted because dumbass me didn't take it out and let it breathe. That's the first time I ever did that. Hopefully it's gonna be the last time. So I got a little bit of rust. It's nickel. It's a nickel plated barrel. It's got rust on it. I guess everything rusts. I don't care what it's made out of, except for maybe titanium or something. But for the majority of the stuff, it will rust. A lot of people think stainless don't rust. It rusts. It rusts. Okay. It's not supposed to, but it does. All right, guys. Widow out. Comment, share, subscribe. Later.